So we bought this Burning Shadows box. Me and Caden did. And
I didn't buy it. My mom did.
Yeah, I bought it and he wants to partake. So we're hoping to get some cool rainbow rares.
I bribed her.
Yeah, and Caden wants to try to claim some of my cards. So
Well, the ones that
I'm
I
gonna go ahead
bribed
and open this. And
from the 3 decks.
yeah, I don't normally do box openings, but this is a cool box. Maybe we'll do this.
I let her DJ half the car ride.
Yeah, he let me.
Play music.
Ooh, sexy. Wow. I like don't even want to open it.
It's gonna like fall apart as soon as you
I know. Yeah, okay, so the booklet's really cool.
It's a book.
Yes. But I will save you guys that. We'll look at that later.
Yeah, we're gonna sell that.
Ooh,
for
did you see the
$20.
inside of this box? Okay, I'm sorry. Look at this. It's cool.
Just rip it and it'll look cool.
No, sorry.
We're selling the booklet.
Buckle. The Badukel. I'll set that there. Whoop. On ditto. Screw it. I'm just kidding. Boop.
Boop. Boop.
I guess you can't see that, so we'll do that.
I guess
Sleeve
you can't.
protectors that I'll never use.
I'll use them.
Will you though?
No.
Energy card.
Why so many?
These dice.
Oh, we're not playing the real Pokemon game.
We should start again. I haven't played with you since you learned how to read these pieces. And so we have.
I already know which one I want.
5, 6, 7, 8. Pick your
want
3.
This one?
You get 3 because
I
I'm
want
selfish. I'm just kidding. You
this
can open
one.
4.
I can?
Yes.
Yay! Cool.
Don't
I
touch
want
that one.
another one of these.
I get ho-ho.
Okay,
You're the
fine,
worst
you
child
can
I've ever
have it.
had.
I want this one.
I remove that. That's in there. Okay, you got 4?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Keep. You're not. You can't see. Yeah. So basically, for you to open them, keep them in this area so that we can see what you're opening. We have a bougie setup. It's real nice. Fancy stuff.
Are we just going one by one? Or
I don't even care. I don't like.
one by one, I guess.
Is that what you want to do? I'll go and then you go. Okay. I have never gotten a cutie fly.
That's a cool whatever.
I love the Alolan Grimers. Never gotten one of those.
Metapod.
This Electabuzz is cool.
I already have one. Stop licking me, dog.
All right, your turn.
Okay. I
In
got
this area.
this one.
Keep your hands over here.
I've never opened Pokemon cards before.
If you bend any of these cards, I'm gonna scream. I'll re-kid you. There's your card. I'm gonna put that there. Turn them over.
No.
You're bending them so much.
I
You're
know,
giving me a
I
heart
like-
attack. Okay, thank
Oh,
you.
cool. Whatever. I don't know what that is. Where do I put it?
That's wherever. You can put them on the tray. It's fine, and we'll move them.
Put that there.
Okay. Another cutie fly. Oh, that horsey's cute.
Oh, it's mine though.
It's mine.
No.
I have.
Oh, that's
The
cool.
other-
I like that one.
I don't think I've ever gotten one of those.
This?
Yeah.
What?
An escape rope? Hell yeah.
So I can escape you if you rope me?
No. Okay.
Grab me for my freaking video games. My V-Bucks.
Steal your V-Bucks, even though I'm the one that supplies the V-Bucks.
You were so.
Same dang Pokemon. Oh, this is a cute one. The
That's a
Alolan
cool
Vulpix, yeah. Aw. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a huge fan of reverse hollows. Aw, this Charmeleon. I like that. So far, my packs suck. Alright, your turn.
Okay, I'm opening this one. And it's weird. Mom. Oh, there.
Like I'm gonna help you.
Charmeleon.
I like the Charmander. It's Charmander. He's so cute.
Oh,
he looks
Charmander.
sad. It's like from the
Oh, because it's in
first
the
or
rain.
second episode. Yeah.
It's in the rain. Sneasel. I don't know.
Don't even try. Don't hurt yourself. The Ralts is cute. Another
Ooh,
Alolan
another one.
Vulpix. That's cool. I don't have one of those yet. I have tons of that.
Energy I've never seen. I'm just kidding.
And the Sea Viper.
And then the most rare card of all.
Alright. I suck at this. I hope I give everybody anxiety trying to open my own cards. Oh, we got a cute Pikachu.
Wow.
I have tons of Magikarps. More Wimpods. Reverse Hollows.
What?
Okay, this is one of the ones I actually wanted. This, the Ho-Oh. I'm so happy. He's so handsome. Alright, that's cool.
That's weird.
What's weird that I called the card handsome?
Yeah.
You're like, my mom's never called me handsome before. Alright, your turn.
Okay, I'm opening this one.
I'm gonna punch you if your cards are better than mine.
Ah, that'll be cool.
You have to stay over there, Charizard, no one can see you.
Well, it doesn't matter if they see me opening the cards.
It matters to me.
No, it doesn't. Not anymore.
Isn't it past your bedtime?
Isn't it?
It's like an hour past your bedtime.
Well, who? I don't know what that is. I
Ladybug?
don't know who that is.
The horsies are cute.
I'm like a million of those.
Gonna make a cute coaster out of him. That is cool.
I've been getting all
I
this
have a Dusclops that's a Reverse Hollow.
Whoa, this is cool energy.
That is a cool one. Bodybuilding dumbbells. What a find.
No, right?
I guess you can just show this. I'm never gonna upload them. And oh frick. Demon Val shows people hers, and she's really has a lot of good card opening videos. Alright, I don't have that. Oh, this is a cool Caterpie. Persian. I actually like that one. Not gonna lie. Alright. Ooh, okay. Your turn.
Another one of these.
That one's cool. It's gonna be a good one.
Open.
Rips the cards in half.
Funny, funny.
Would it
Yeah.
be so funny? Please. Oh, God.
I love winning cards. Okay, my favorite Pokemon.
Really?
My 8th favorite, at least.
I don't really like that Duskull, I'm gonna be honest.
And wait, what?
That Oddish is
Whoa!
cute. I like these a lot. The ones that are like the knitted looking.
I like that Butterfree.
Mm-hmm.
And this
The Vileplume, that's a cool one. I like that.
shiny.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, energy. Olivia. And my last card. Ugh!
Why? Because he's hot.
Sun and Moon.
A hot dude. Oh, you got a Porygon,
Porygon
too.
too?
I
I like
like
normal
him.
Porygon.
I like Porygon better, but yeah, Porygon 2 is cool. Could you just show the dang card, dude?
No. No one likes showing cards.
Alright. Now we cry.
You only got one single card.
I know. What the...
I know.
What the what? Well,
The other one.
I know, maybe. We'll try again next time. That's cool, though. The only card I really liked